Welcome to TechieTalkee. Hello friends, in this video I'm going to talk about the Python operators. In Python, there are various operators that can be used to perform operations on various variables and values. Python operators fall under 7 categories. They are arithmetic, assignment, comparison, logical, identity, membership, and bitwise. In this video, we are going to look at the various arithmetic operators in particular. Arithmetic operators are used on numerical values. It is used to perform various mathematical operations on variables or values. Let's consider this scenario where we want to add two numbers. We'll do that by using the addition operator using the plus sign. Let me show you with an example. I'll give A equal to 25 and B equal to 5. Now I want to add these two values and store it in the variable C. So I'll give C equal to A plus B. If I print the value of C, I'll get the value as 30, which is 25 plus 5 equals 30. So similarly, we want to subtract two numbers. In that case, we'll give a minus sign. So we are getting the value of C to be 20. So 25 minus 5 is 20. We can also perform the multiplication operation by giving the asterisk sign. The value of C gets printed to be 125, which is A into B. And for dividing two values, I'll just give A/B. And we can see that 5 gets printed there. Next, let's get into the modulus operator. So what is it? In Python, modulus is represented by percentage sign. If we divide two numbers, we'll get a quotient and a remainder. Modulus will return the remainder after performing the division. Let me show you that with an example. So I'll give A modulus B. I'll get 0 because in this case the remainder is 0. Let me change the value of B and see what value this modulus returns. So it returns 1, which is the remainder after dividing A by B. Next, we also have the exponentiation in Python, which is represented by double asterisk. Let me give A to be 2 and B to be 3. So what is exponent? If I give A double asterisk B, it means 2 to the power of 3, which is nothing but 2 into 2 into 2. Hence the value of 8 gets printed there. Next, let's try to understand about the floor division. It is represented by double slash. If we divide a number by another number, we'll get a quotient and a remainder. This floor division will round off the quotient to the nearest whole number and it will return the result. Let's try it with an example where I give A to be 11 and B to be 3, and I'll give A double slash B. If I execute this, I'll get 3 as the result, which is the rounded value of quotient is 3. To summarize, so these are the various arithmetic operators that we have. The plus to add, minus to subtract, and asterisk to multiply, forward slash to divide, and modulus to return the remainder, double asterisk for exponentiation, and double forward slash for the floor division, which will return the numerator. Hey guys, hope you now understood the various arithmetic operators that we use in Python. Thank you for watching this video. If you have any queries, you can reach out to me at techietalkee@gmail.com. Happy learning and have a great day.